Hey guys, it's DeElla. Welcome back. And we are doing some more talking about mindset. And if you watched the first video, that's awesome. You don't have to, but it's here if you want to see it. Um, I really feel that mindset is the biggest struggle that creatives or artists deal with. Way, way more than skill or technique. That's all very learnable. And honestly, it doesn't take that long to get good at a skill per se. But if you are constantly berating yourself and thinking all the worst about yourself and how you can never possibly do something, it's real hard to do it. So, you know, we have control. I know it doesn't seem like it a lot of times, but we do have control over this space in our head, right? We have control over what we think and how we think things. Um, it's something that you need to kind of train yourself to do. It's something that you need to be aware of. But um, what I see for myself and for my students is that it's not really about the thing that they're doing, it's about what's happening on the inside. Um, and one of the biggest problems that I see are automatic negative thoughts. Some people call them ants. I like to think of them as drunk monkeys. And my drunk monkeys have the whole like outfit on, they throw poop, they are belligerent, they are awful, right? Drunk monkeys. So these automatic negative thoughts that pop up into your head. So you start, to do a little watercolor exercise, and all of a sudden, this thought pops up: you suck. You'll never do that, right? You should stop even trying. Come on. Are you kidding me? Look at your neighbor. Theirs is so much better than yours. What the fuck are you doing? Come on. You know, these are drunk monkeys. They are in there. They're throwing poop around in your head, right? And so automatic negative thoughts come actually from kind of a good place, right? So these automatic negative thoughts, sometimes they will sound like your mother or your father, or that best friend who always critiqued you. These automatic negative thoughts come up because it's our way, our our mind's way of protecting us from doing something dangerous. Now, logically, we can know that sitting down with some watercolors and trying to paint something is not a dangerous activity, right? I mean, it's pretty mild. You're not jumping off of buildings. You're not, I don't know, going to war. You're not doing any of that. But these automatic negative thoughts, our drunk monkeys will start popping up, and don't do it. You can't possibly. No, who do you think you are? So they really are trying to protect us, but they're just wrong. And they're not very adventurous, and those automatic negative thoughts want to keep us in our lane securely, but they don't want us to, go take a little detour. They don't want to do that. They want to just keep on the path. They want everything safe and narrow. They don't want any trouble from anything, right? So when I get these automatic negative thoughts popping up in my head, and it's funny because the more you practice kicking them out, the easier it is. But when I have them come up in my head, a lot of the time, I will literally imagine my Doc Martens from way back in the grunge era, my 10-eye Doc Martens that laced all the way up. And I imagine myself lacing them up and then kicking that drunk monkey in the head and sending it flying a la Angry Birds. So that's what I do. Some other people are gentler about their monkeys and just acknowledge them and tell them, not right now, thank you. So, whatever it takes for you to notice and address these automatic negative thoughts. And y'all, this is not just about painting. These ants, these drunk monkeys, they will come into your head about just anything, right? If you're trying to change something in your life, if you're trying to diet or exercise or create a new habit or meditate or whatever, they're going to be like, oh no, we don't like this different thing. Right? So notice when they're there. Notice that you can tell them, not right now, thank you, I'm busy. Goodbye. Goodbye for now. They'll come back. And at first, they come back a lot, a lot, a lot. So don't get discouraged, but keep kicking them out. And again, I'm not a professional here. I'm just talking about the mindset things that help me as an artist and hopefully will help you too. So try it. You know, those negative thoughts, those automatic negative thoughts are going to be in your head anyway. Now that you know what they are, and they don't really mean you harm, they actually want to keep you safe. But you know that you're safe doing what you're doing. So tell them that. Tell them that they're not welcome right now. I'm safe enough. I don't need you right now. We could talk about this later. Whatever it is you need to say. Get a little bit more control up here so that you have the space to do the creative work that you want to do. All right, this is DeElla. Please subscribe and all that jazz. I'll see you next time.